What's going on, guys? Eddie of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be going over ways that you can earn money using the Coinbase app and talking more about the iOS 14 widgets that are freaking awesome. Okay, so I've got the iPhone 11 right here and the iPhone SE 2. Now, I want to talk about the widgets first before I actually get into, making some money with Coinbase. Now, I do want to say I've been using them for probably like 7 years, somewhere like around 6 or 7 years. And I've been able to actually grow my account, over this last year from like a couple thousand to where it's at today, which is pretty phenomenal. Now, the one widget I really do like on, Coinbase here on iOS 14 is the news one. So what's cool about it is it's going to pull up like a fresh news feed for you every day when you kind of log into it, or just pull up your home screen on your iPhone. It's always going to have that, refreshed news. Then, of course, you can pull up the prices. That's pretty cool as well. But, as you can see here too, and I do want to point this out, I've noticed that sometimes the prices are off in real time. You can see there's a price difference when I've logged in on, both these iPhones right here. So it's kind of weird. I don't know how off it is. It could be by maybe like 10 or 30 seconds or maybe like a minute, but you can see the live prices are a little bit wrong. Okay, so basically the way I've been able to really grow my account, I was using what's called swing trading. It's where you buy into a coin when it's kind of like going down, and then you hold on to it, and then it starts to rise, anywhere from like a few percent, which is usually what I would do. So, I could show you an example of this on Chainlink. And what I would do is I actually bought Chainlink quite a bit. I would, basically buy it when it was going down a little bit, and then it started to rise. I would sell it, take that quick profit, and then I would kind of like rinse and repeat. And that's how I would do it, you guys. I mean, just kind of like over and over again. This wasn't the only coin I've done that with. I've used the basic attention token, which is another one that is actually a good coin to get if you're, looking for coins to hold on to for a while. Definitely like the basic attention token. So let me pull that one up real quick here. All right, you can kind of see like on the graph here, it's very choppy. So it does go up and down a lot, which is one of the reasons that I would like buy and sell this coin so much, is because, it just goes up and down a lot. Now, crypto is very volatile. Obviously, you're going to have some times when, things are just going like straight up for, like a couple of days, and then it just kind of comes crashing down. It happens all the time here. But the basic attention token is not only a good one to kind of like swing trade, in my opinion, but it's a good one to hold on to. I really like that token. It's an advertising token. And then I kind of want to talk about a couple of other coins I would actually recommend checking out on here. Now, this isn't financial advice, guys. Research these coins yourself, but I do believe that there are some good buys out there right now, and we're going to pull up a couple of them. So one of them is going to be Algorand, aka Algo. This one's good to kind of like buy and sell, but it's also a good one to hold on to for a while. You can see, based on its chart, it's up for a little bit on the year, but you can see it goes up and down a lot. I'm actually hoping that coin goes up to, over $1 to like $1.50, going into the rest of this year, and then into 2021 would be awesome. So that one's definitely on my radar as one to kind of like buy and hold on to. And then of course, another one, that I recommend checking out is Orchid. This one's a little bit more risky, but it's a VPN-based cryptocurrency. It's pretty interesting, and it's the only crypto that it's got like a VPN background. I would definitely just recommend you maybe checking it out a little bit, and kind of just bringing it back here to the basic attention token. I mean, I really like this thing. I think that it's a good one to kind of like buy and sell, but it's also a good one to hold on to for a while, because I think the price could definitely go up on it a lot. I think its all-time high was around like $1 or something like that. So but anyways, guys, if you want to learn more about, using the Coinbase app, to make money going into the rest of, this year and then into the future, I'll have some resource links in both the description and comments of this video. And more importantly, I love the iOS 14 widgets for, the Coinbase app. I think it's awesome. Thanks for watching, you guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one.